the character and the promotion of talents for those innocent girls. Mr. Speaker, in our politics, we have destroyed the socio-political fabrics of this country, Mr. Speaker, through petty partisan political shenaniganism. Today we are going back to the schools. I think individuals must take responsibility. I empathize with those innocent girls. But Mr. Speaker, how did this happen? How was this allowed? If you want to fight President Ruto, go and deal with the politicians. Don't go back to the students. Don't use innocent children as characters, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, what I want to say is this, and you have been around. The politicians have an arena, a political arena. The kids are all, as a father, as a grandfather, who still has kids who are going to school, Mr. Speaker. That must not be allowed, and I want to urge the investigative agencies to deal with the teachers who allowed this, to deal with Christopher Malala, and I also want to appeal to the parents not to allow their children to be used by politicians. Mr. Speaker, in conclusion, and I know you are a great man in this. If we allow this today, I'm told the entire political class have gone to Nakuru today to empathize with Malala. Malala should be arrested this evening. Malala and cohorts in the school must be arrested. That is the only way we can allow the parents, we can say sorry to the parents and the students. Mr. Speaker, this is very important. I also want to appeal to the Committee on Education to do a thorough investigation, Mr. Speaker, and bring a report on the entire ecosystem on how this was allowed. I support the statement.